It's no more news that Nigeria has a new national anthem, though some are of the opinion that why bring back the old anthem. However, to my lovely Leonard, it's new, right? Yeah. So today, we'll be learning the national anthem together. Before that, the national anthem was written by Lillian Jean Williams in 1959, and the music was composed by Francis Breda in the same year. It's time to learn the anthem. I'll take it line by line, and you will sing after me. Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all and proud to serve our sovereign motherland.
Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign. In peace or battle honored, and this we count as gain. To hang on to our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed.
I hope this video has helped you to learn the new national anthem. Till next time, I'll see you. Be good.